A lot of people may not know, but the odds of like conceiving for a normal, even young, healthy couple is only about like 15 to 20%. That's what you're up against like every month. We had an unexplained infertility diagnosis. My husband and I were trying to conceive for a while. All of our tests came clear. Nothing was quote unquote wrong with us. We weren't really told what our odds would be, but we were told that if after 6 months or something of trying that we should move on to IVF. We did intrauterine insemination or IUI. They gave me a trigger shot to trigger ovulation, and that got me pregnant. It worked, but then I had, of course, my tragic loss. After I came to Dr. Chi, we decided to do IVF, just an egg retrieval, just to kind of secure or bank our embryos, like as sort of an insurance policy is the way we like to look at it. Like, hopefully we don't need it, but it's there if we do. And so we haven't used those, and hopefully we don't need to. And then I got pregnant, unassisted, just kind of on our own. That ended up in a miscarriage. And then I now have a healthy 15-year-old boy, which was also through IUI and Dr. Chi's help. So I got pregnant at 35 with my first. I delivered him, unfortunately, stillborn at 36 years old. And that's also the same year I came to see Dr. Chi. I had my miscarriage right when I turned 37. And then I had my successful live birth with my now healthy baby boy, who's a toddler, also at 37. And now I'm almost 40 and hopefully able to have another one. I came to see Dr. Chi in September of 2022, and that was following the devastating and tragic loss of my first child, who was stillborn. So I was devastated but not defeated, and came here to Dr. Chi, who was highly recommended with a lot of hope. I had never before done traditional Chinese medicine or any kind of sort of acupuncture. It was strange because you're being poked and prodded and you're not bleeding, which you think you would, and it's not as painful as you think it would be, and then when you lie down and take your nap, you can't move a whole lot. So just that feeling of being a little constricted and stuff, but no problem passing it on there. Now that I look back at it, doing this for almost like 3 years now, it's not painful at all. There's certain times where I might be a little bit more sensitive to a certain area that Dr. Chi's addressing, but I'm so used to it now. I was doing, in the beginning, just acupuncture, and then about 3 months after seeing Dr. Chi, I had a miscarriage, and so we had to wait for all of that to expel and be flushed out, and then wait for my next cycle to start up again. Dr. Chi recommended traditional, like medicinal Chinese herbs would supplement the whole goal of getting pregnant. So that was interesting. They do not taste good, but I just treated it like medicine. I had herbs for about 2 months, and then I got pregnant. Dr. Chi recommended to continue drinking herbs throughout the first trimester. It can be a very difficult time for women, the first trimester, with the nausea, loss of appetite, just a lot of stuff's going on. It can be a really challenging time for some women. And also, you want to stabilize the pregnancy. These were Dr. Chi's words. That was her reason for it, and so I was on board with it. But I was so happy to stop it in the second trimester. I felt more calm. I felt, I know that it works with connecting with different parts of your body, and like blood flow and circulation is really important. That pours into like so many aspects of your life, your well-being. So I just felt more balanced, more at ease. I look forward to it every week. Service is like 10 out of 10. It really is a holistic practice. She really believes in the work. She's good at the work. Every single person I've met in the lobby has had like amazing things to say about her and the rest of the staff. I've also worked with Dr. Ho, who's great too. I mean, everyone was so nice. I got a little bit more time in the room if I needed. Everyone was just like really accommodating for my work schedule too. So yeah, I totally recommend it.